Hi, my name is Catherine, and we're gonna do this mermaid look today. So if you want to learn how I did this, continue watching the video. So I am going with the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the shade light peach, and I'm putting on my eyelids. And you're probably wondering why I'm putting this really white concealer on my eyelids. Well, it's supposed to help the colors that I'm gonna use, like make it more brighter, if that makes sense. And then I'm going in with my Airspun in Naturally Neutral. I'm just setting my concealer. And then I go into the Alyssa Edwards palette. I'm using Texas Made. I'm putting that on the third quarter of my crease. And I just build it up until I like the way it is. And I'm doing it on the other side now. And I forgot to mention that is a taper brush. And I was trying to do the Disney thing, but I think I did it really wrong. I'm using Unicorn Tribe also on that taper brush. And I'm putting it on the end of my crease, and I'm also making a little wing motion, or a flick motion, making a wing. I'm also putting that on the outer corner of my eyelid to make a wing. And I'm going in with this clean blending brush, and I'm just blending everything in. And then I go in with Believe on the outer corner of my eye, and I just follow where I put the wing flicking motion and put it on the third outer corner of my crease. And then I'm going in with this clean blending brush to blend everything in. And then I'm just cleaning up the edges right now. And then I'm going back with the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm just cutting my crease right now. I'm just blending it with my fingers so it seems not so messy and seamless. And then I'm going in with the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights and Glitz on my inner corner lid, if that makes sense. And then I'm going with the Zodiac palette, Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. I'm using the Pisces on the last part of my lid. I'm also going with Dream It. I'm putting it where that purple and the concealer in to make it all blended in. And then I also go back with the Pisces and blend that out. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Prime in 500. I'm just putting that all over my face. And then I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect in Creamy Vanilla. And I had to add another pump because I didn't put enough on the back of my hand. And then I'm also going with the concealer, Conceal and Perfect in 120, also aka light vanilla, and I'm just pinning it on the points that I want to highlight. And I was singing a T-Pain song right there, and I think it was by You Drink, but I don't know, 2000 R&B, man. It's lit. And then I'm going back into my air spun. I'm just pinning it where I put the concealer to highlight the points of my face. And then I go in with the Maybelline Dream Wonder palette in shade 15, and I just pat that into my skin. So I left my butter bronzer at home at the time, and I had to compromise with another like an eyeshadow, so I'm using the Taurus, and honestly it didn't come out that bad, and I'm kind of proud of it. And I'm just going back into my air spun to bake, and then I'm using the eyelashes in Gala, and then I'm using the Estee Lauder highlighter and 01 and Heat Wave. So it's a pretty highlighter. It's my favorite one right now. Look at me trying to glow to the gods. It's glowy. Wow. And then I put on the inner corner of my eyes and also the brow bone to make it all highlighted. And then I go in with Punky in the Bright Lights palette, and also I didn't put this on there, but I also went into Cloud. And then I'm using the mascara from Milani, and it's called Highly Rated. It's really good. If I wasn't wearing eyelashes, it makes my eyelashes look really full. And then I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm using the pomade from Anstasia in chocolate, and then I go in with the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit and Sin Nudes. And yes, I know my lips are crusty right now. I didn't put chapstick before I did this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, like